Adding a video to your Weebly website is easy and can be done in just a few simple steps. Here's how you can do it. Log into Weebly. Go to weebly.com and log in with your credentials. Open your website editor. From your Weebly dashboard, select the website you want to edit and click Edit Site to open the website editor. Choose where to add the video. Navigate to the page or section where you want to add the video. In the editor, click on the plus button or the area where you want to place the video. Select the video element. From the sidebar of available elements, find and drag the video element onto the page. You can either add a YouTube or Vimeo video by pasting the video URL or upload your video directly from your computer. Add the video. For YouTube or Vimeo, paste the URL of the video into the provided field. For uploading a video file, click the Upload Vimeo button and choose the video file from your computer. Adjust video settings. Resize and position the video on the page to fit your design. Publish. Once you're happy with the placement, click Publish in the top right corner to make the video live on your website.